Hello and welcome to the Embroidery Legacy. In today's video we're going to be showing you how to create this beautiful in the hoop poinsettia tea light, which is bound to impress this holiday season. For this project you will need a 5x7 hoop, 4 pieces of wash away stabilizer, a piece of tear away stabilizer, 8 pieces of organza, painter's or embroidery tape, a stencil cutter, and polyester embroidery thread and matching bobbins for the leaves and for the flowers. Be sure to download the printable PDF for exact fabric dimensions. We'll begin by creating the leaves. For step 1, we'll simply sandwich a piece of wash away stabilizer between 2 pieces of organza. Next, we will hoop the organza sandwich and place it onto our embroidery machine. Next, we will run the poinsettia tea light _1 file. We will now remove the hoop from the machine and heat up our stencil cutter. Now the stencil cutter will cut through the organza very quickly, so you're going to want to be very careful when cutting around the edge of the designs. Also, be sure to hold the hoop above your table or place a piece of glass underneath so you don't burn your surface. Once complete, we will set it aside for later. Moving on to the petals, for step 1 we will start the exact same way by sandwiching 1 piece of wash away stabilizer between 2 pieces of red organza. Also be sure to change to red bobbin and thread color and put the hoop back onto the machine. We will now run the poinsettia tea light _2 file. These will be your larger petals. We will once again use a stencil cutter to carefully cut out the petals. We will now repeat the exact same process with these smaller petals. So we'll simply run the poinsettia tea light _3 file. We will now grab a warm bowl of water and wash the stabilizer out of our petals and leaves. Now don't rinse them for too long, as you'll want to leave some stiffness in so you can give it some shape later on, and then let them dry on a towel. We are now going to combine all the pieces together, so hoop a piece of tear away stabilizer, place it onto your machine, and run the poinsettia tea light _4 file. After removing the hoop from the machine, we're going to line up our organza on the guide that we just stitched. We will begin by securely taping down the leaves, followed by the large petals and then the small petals, once again being sure that you line the T up on the guide. Place the hoop back onto the machine and run the final stitches in the file. This will sew all the pieces together. For the ninth and final step, we will remove the hoop from the machine, get rid of all the tape, and simply tear away the stabilizer. Now get creative and shape the leaves however you see fit. Congratulations, you've now completed this awesome In the Hoop project. It's now time to show off your creation, which is bound to impress your guests this holiday season. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you enjoy your brand new tea light.